Alright, today I'll be showing you how to redo your serpentine belt on your 2005 C-class V6, the C240. I got this special belt. It might look different. It says it's supposed to be quieter, we'll see. But I'm replacing my serpentine belt, and you can see at the edge it's kind of starting to fall apart. It's lost one of the ridges, one of the belt pieces, so I'd rather replace it before it goes out. Alright, first we're going to loosen this tensioner. It's a 17. As you can, it's a little dark, hard to see, but that bolt right here, you'll put your 17 millimeter on it and turn it counterclockwise, so towards passenger side, to pull up on the tensioner to release. Alright, I also removed my intake. I just pulled it back and took it off. If you want your breaker bar to fit, just to give you a little more space. But also, we will be able to lock our tensioner before we put the other belt on. So you'll turn it all the way to the left when it stops, and then you should be able to put an Allen key in on the back side of it, and it should lock in place. Okay, I got my tensioner locked. It's hard to explain, but you turn it all the way to the left and you just get a little pin or something, Allen key, anything works to get in there. It's a little dark. You can see my screwdriver's in there right behind that piece, and that way you can lock it so you don't have to hold it when you're putting your new serpentine belt on. Okay, when you guys are done, put your intake piece back. Make sure you have your belt lined up like mine around your alternator, water pump, tensioner, and have it around your tensioner like this, and your harmonic balancer. Then make sure you get your power steering and everything on that side. If you guys have any questions, comment down below, like the video, do thumbs up. I hope this was helpful.